lot of energy. Brandon Page.
Boyera. Trangkaso and all. Delivers. Yan, tama kayo, no? Pag pinawisan, fronted by Quito. Double team is there. Castro zips it to the side of Tana Drayton.
Ganda ng ball movement there. And it seems na they really recognize na si Calvin Octana is just shooting well. So, ang bola umabot.
Oh, good drive. He will make it. That's a tough shot. Cancino is in the game. Takes care of business.
First bucket off the ball game.
Oh, good give and go. Octana pivoting. Yeah, I got it.
For GLS, it's not only three-pointers, di ba? Ganda ng kick and fake move, back to the basket, because yes, you would.
But Ray wants this.
Ako naman, Stingray. City move, no? Magandang spin move, magmula kay Ray ng batak. And that finish was
In this second quarter. Traffic jam. Mitchell. He has learned to live in I'd say the product simply because of the shape of the bottle.
okay, talaga yun, eh, right?
Yeah. Because those of you who have played this game know that.
Rivers, clean that up.
Black gets it. Scratch the clouds in the sky and it dropped in. He's daddy. Sa taas. Nabutan ni Octana. RR nilayap. May kasama pang foul.
Magandang depensa on one side, di ba? Ganda na supalpal ni Calvin Octana. Hindi lang
Okay. Yun ang laro niya. Oh, ganda ng pasa. Here comes Meralco coming to life. Lead is down to 12.
Pinag-usapan na nga natin yung kanilang comeback.
The blur now gets it back. Yes.
Meralco again unable to get that defensive rebound. No? Binibigyan ng second chance talaga itong TNT.
Oh! Can they score? Will they score? They do. Bakit hindi bumaba?
Ito yung bola dun sa labas ng Meralco player. I think it was close.
Black is back in the game. New open. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Clifford Hodge, iniisip yung babae yung bola. Nakita niya si Aaron Black. Aaron, ikaw magbaba ng bola. He takes a nice decision right here. Papasa dito sa wide open.
Hold on the lead. Banquero will tie it up.
Kaya ganun yung ating
Quinto will gather and score. And Meralco back in the lead. Second taste of the lead.
foot race.
Laro mo to, tuloy sa kampiyonato. Sama-sama tayo, manlalaro, tapos sunalo. Ang laban.